topic is very interesting. The topic for today is fruits. Today we are going to learn about different types of fruits. So let's start. Are you all ready to see some fruits? So we start with apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. That means you have to have apples daily. At least one apple a day will make you strong, so that you don't have to go to the doctor. So eat an apple every day. The color of an apple is red from outside, but when you cut the apple, it is white inside. Okay kids, so this is an apple. Now teacher is going to cut this apple. Apple is red from outside, but after teacher cut the apple is white inside. So outside it is red and inside it is white. Now can you see the seed of this apple? See? Can you see the seed? Yes, you can see the seed. So apple has few seeds. Few matlab bahut kam seeds. Few seeds. Can you see the black seed here? Yes. So there are only 2 seeds in this. So apple has few seeds. मतलब बहुत कम seeds. Apple you have to eat with the skin. Apple को skin के साथ खाना है. Next fruit is pomegranate. Pomegranate is also red in color. Pomegranate makes you healthy. Now teacher is going to cut the pomegranate and show. Now let us open this pomegranate and see what is there in that. Can you see pomegranate? Yes, these are pomegranates inside. And can you see the white over here? See, white. They are the seeds of the pomegranate. You can eat the seeds of the pomegranate. So this is a pomegranate, and pomegranate has many seeds. Pomegranate has many seeds. For apple, you can't eat the seeds. Apple seeds you can't eat, but pomegranate seeds are eaten. Pomegranate, you have to remove the skin and eat. You have to remove the pomegranate skin. This is the skin. You have to remove and eat. The next fruit is a sweet lime. Sweet lime means Mosambi. Sweet lime. Sweet lime is yellow from outside and inside also it is yellow in color. So this is a sweet lime and it has got a thick skin on top of the sweet lime. So now teacher is going to cut this sweet lime and show you how it looks from inside. Ta-da! See, teacher told you the sweet lime is also yellow from inside. Yes, the sweet lime is also yellow from inside. Sweet lime is also good for your body. Sweet lime has few seeds, बहुत कम seeds. Sweet lime has few seeds. Can you see? Only one seed is here and one seed is hidden inside. So this is sweet lime that has few seeds. Sweet lime is eaten without the skin. Sweet lime's skin you have to remove. Skin निकाल के खाना है. The next fruit is orange. Orange also has a thick skin outside, but when you cut the orange, it is orange inside. Now teacher is going to cut this orange and show you. Now teacher will open this orange and show you. Ta-da! See, teacher told you orange is orange inside, and even orange has few seeds, बहुत कम seeds. See, can you see the seeds of the orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are few seeds. Orange has few seeds. Orange, you have to remove the skin and eat. Skin निकाल के खाना है orange. You can't eat orange with the skin. The next fruit is ta-da! Banana. The next fruit is banana. Banana is yellow from outside. When you peel the skin of the banana, it is white inside. Now teacher is going to peel the banana and show you. Remove the skin of the banana and eat. Now teacher is going to cut the banana with a hand. Ta-da! Can you see? There are small seeds in the banana. And there are many seeds in the banana. Banana has many seeds. Banana has many seeds. So this fruit is banana. Next we have kiwi. Yes, this is a kiwi fruit. Kiwi fruit is good for your body, is good for your body. From outside the fruit is brown in color. From outside the fruit is brown in color. But when you cut the fruit, it is green inside. But sometimes when you cut the fruit, it is also yellow inside. So this is kiwi. Kiwi has to be eaten without the skin. Kiwi को skin के बिना खाना है. ऐसे नहीं खा सकते. You can't eat the kiwi fruit with the skin. You have to remove the skin of the kiwi and eat. Now teacher is going to show you how it looks from inside. Teacher has cut the kiwi. From outside, kiwi is brown in color, but after teacher cut the kiwi, it is green in color. So kiwi is green in color. Now kiwi has many seeds. Can you see the black seeds over here? Can you see the black? Yes, those are seeds. Kiwi has many seeds, matlab bahut seeds. The next fruit over here is the custard apple. You don't have to eat the skin of the custard apple. Now teacher is going to cut the custard apple and show you. This is a custard apple. You have to eat the white fruit. But when you eat the white fruit, inside this white there are seeds. So custard apple has many seeds. Now see, teacher had one white fruit, and from that white fruit a seed is come out. See, black color seeds. So custard apple has many seeds. बहुत सारा seeds, many seeds. The next fruit is, which fruit is this? Yes, it's the watermelon. Watermelon is green in color. Watermelon is green in color from outside. You don't have to eat the skin of the watermelon. Watermelon skin is not eaten. This is watermelon that is green in color. Okay, now teacher is going to cut the watermelon and show you. Now teacher has cut the watermelon. You want to see the magic inside, the color inside? Yes, it is red in color. The watermelon is red in color inside. So this red part you have to eat. You don't have to eat the green part. Now can you see the black spots in the watermelon? Can you see? Yes, those are the seeds of the watermelon. So watermelon has many seeds. Watermelon has many seeds, and you can't eat the green skin of the watermelon. So this is a watermelon. Ta-da! This is a muskmelon. We eat muskmelon without the skin. Muskmelon skin is not eaten. But when you cut the muskmelon, it is peach color inside. Now teacher is going to cut the muskmelon and show you. Now teacher is going to open the muskmelon for you. Ta-da! Can you see the muskmelon is peach inside, and in the center there are many seeds. Muskmelon also has many seeds. बहुत ज़्यादा seeds है muskmelon को. देखो, see. Can you see the seeds? This is a muskmelon. Muskmelon is not eaten with the skin. You can't eat muskmelon with the skin. Now the last fruit over here is the pineapple. This is the pineapple. Can you see the pineapple? Yes, it's little green and it's little yellow in color. Pineapple is mostly yellow in color, but teacher has got a pineapple that has got green color also and also yellow color. You have to eat pineapple without the skin. इसका skin निकाल के खाना है. You can't eat pineapple with the skin because pineapple skin has got little thorns like this. Can you see small thorns? Yes, so you can't eat pineapple with the skin. Now teacher is going to cut the pineapple and show you. Now teacher is going to open the pineapple and show you. Ta-da! What color is there inside? Yes, the pineapple is yellow. The pineapple is yellow and it has no seeds. Pineapple has no seeds. Pineapple you have to eat without the skin. Skin निकाल के खाना है. Skin के साथ नहीं खाना है. Next fruit is strawberry. Strawberry is red in color and it has yellow dots on it. The yellow dots are the seeds of the strawberry. Strawberry has many seeds. Strawberry is a seasonal fruit. That is why teacher doesn't have the fruit now. But teacher will show you the picture of the strawberry. Okay, the next fruit is a pear. Pear is green in color, but when you cut the pear, it is white inside and pear has few seeds. Pear has few seeds. You can eat pear with the skin. Pear is eaten with the skin. fruit is mango. Mango is also seasonal fruit. That is why teacher doesn't have it right now with her to show you. But teacher will show you the picture. Mango has one seed. Mango has one seed. And we eat mango by removing the skin. Mango's skin is removed and eaten. You cannot eat mango with the skin. Mango is yellow in color. Mango is yellow in color and has one seed. So today we learned about different types of fruit. We saw different fruits. We saw how many seeds they have. Few seeds, many seeds, can be eaten with the skin, without skin. So much information teacher has given you today. So you will have to see this video again and again to put it in your mind. Okay kids? So kids, for now, bye and happy learning.